Hey friends, this is Aldrishan. Welcome back to my channel Huge Mood. So in today's video we'll be talking about something new and something interesting. So let me just tell you in brief, if you are transferring a data from a PC to a mobile device or from a mobile device to a PC, in such cases you will be needing a USB data cable or a pen drive. But in most of the cases we don't usually carry a USB data cable or a pen drive all the time. So in such cases there will be a third way we'll be using. So in this video we'll be talking about that particular third way through which we can wirelessly transfer the data from a mobile device to a PC or from a PC to a mobile device. So watch this video till the end and let's get into it. Google Chrome browser and write on the address bar web.drphone.me and we'll hit enter. Now we can see the page appeared, but first it will ask for login. Actually I had already logged in, that's why it's not asking again. So you can log in with your Gmail account or any other account also. So now we'll see how we can share or receive any file from mobile device. So let's start. So friends, for sharing a file from your PC to your mobile device, you will have to choose this option send. And now we can see that it's written add your files. We are clicking on this plus sign. Now we'll choose the file which we want to share. So I am choosing this one and clicking on open. So now we can see that the chosen file has been saved. So now we can hit this option send. So it's showing a 6-digit OTP like number which we will have to put in our mobile app of Dr. Phone. Now I am showing it on my mobile device. Friends, first in our Android device we will have to install the application Dr. Phone from Play Store. In Play Store we'll write Dr. Phone and we'll install this app. I had already installed it, so I am opening it. Now we can see the interface of Dr. Phone. So it can backup, recycle, switch or root from your device. So one thing I would like to say that for receiving a file we'll have to hit transfer and it redirect to a different app Transmore, but it's also from a same partner Wondershare Technology. So I am opening it. So here in this app we have to choose this option receive for receiving a file from PC. I will apply the OTP over here 70394. So now I will hit receive. Now as you can see the file is downloading from PC. Yeah, it got downloaded and now in my phone also I can see that downloading is processing and it's completed. Now we can see that the file is already downloaded in my system. We can select this and open the file. So friend, now we'll see how we can transfer a data file from a mobile device to PC. For this we'll have to open the same application Dr. Phone and here we'll click on transfer and it redirect to the app Transmore and we'll open it. Now we will choose the option send. We'll click on it and we'll share any file which we want. So I am selecting this file and hitting send. So here we can see a 6-digit OTP generated and we have to put this OTP on our PC. So we can see in the receipt section there is an option where we can enter the OTP. We are selecting on it and entering it 074,803 and hitting this option, download option. Now we can see that the file is receiving. And it is processing. The file got saved in my PC. Friends, thanks for watching this video. So if you like this video, let me know in the comment section below, and like, share, subscribe. So we'll catch up in my next video. Till then, bye.